Hey, Bill O'Leary here. Good afternoon. Happy Thursday to you. Bill O'Leary from Legacy Planning Law Group, estate and elder law attorney here on this Thursday, September 16th. My gosh, we're halfway through September and fall is right around the corner. So hope you're having a good day. Here as part of a series that we do come live every Thursday called Thirsty Thursday, where I talk about a different topic about sort of the kind of law that I do. Again, estate, elder law, probate, that kind of thing. So if you're thirsting for knowledge, you've come to the right place. So how about this topic? I got sort of an inspiration a couple days ago to talk about this. End of life decisions to consider. End of life decisions to consider. So look, beyond the estate planning documents that you create, which are very important, a will or a trust, it's important that you lay out your wishes for certain arrangements for after you die. So maybe one thing to consider is funeral planning. Okay, that's usually the first thing that people think about. So look, you may have a preference for how your life should be commemorated in a memorial service or a funeral. Planning a funeral in advance, well, what can it do? It can help sort of avoid, I don't know, disagreements among family members over what you may have wanted. Can also, let's say, involve a payment plan. So you're going to take some of that financial burden off your family. A payment plan where you can help your loved ones celebrate your life or mourn your death without the concern over cost. You can consider whether maybe you want to prefer to have a traditional funeral or a memorial ceremony or a combination of both. It's your choice. There can be also maybe some more traditional alternatives to look at, like maybe a visitation or a wake. And a funeral plan can outline very specific requests for the people you want to speak at the service, the place where it occur, and maybe the clothes that you want to be wearing at that time. You should keep your funeral plan in a safe places and alert family members where it is, that it exists and its location. Okay, so a funeral plan can also provide for how family members should pay for the funeral if you have not already prepaid everything in advance. Life insurance or maybe payable on death accounts provide immediate cash that your family can use to pay for the funeral before probate proceedings may have to be opened. So that's the first sort of end of life consideration, funeral planning. How about this? Organ donation or donating your body. You may want to contribute various organs to assist people who need transplants so they can restore their health. Or maybe help medical professionals like doctors in training with their research. You can use a living will or advanced healthcare directive to state your intent to donate certain organs or tissues, maybe like your heart, lungs, eyes, kidney, that sort of thing. This legal document, can designate those organs or those tissues for transplant use or for medical research or both. And I often give clients the option to do either. Some seem to be more comfortable donating their organs for transplantation purposes, but aren't quite willing to donate those for research purposes. Others are fine doing both. You may want to discuss your preferences with your family in advance to avoid any efforts they may have, intentional or unintentional, where they may want to try to override your plans after you die. Sometimes a person that's nearing the end of their life, they plan to donate their entire body to a medical institution for research, and maybe it can be returned to the loved one afterwards, after the research is done or the organs that are desired are taken. The body can be returned for burial or cremation. For medical reasons, a full body donation is an alternative rather than a complement, let's say, to an organ donation. So again, that's another consideration for end of life. What's going to occur, organ or body donation. And then how about this, planning your digital legacy? If you have an online presence, you can instruct the executor of your estate regarding, how to close out this aspect of your life. Many people participate in, websites, blogs, social media, and they can offer a way to build relationships with others and preserve memories of important moments of their lives. But understand, the company that operates any online account will regain control of that account after you pass away. So you may want to leave instructions for what should happen to the contents of those accounts. So for example, you can Ask your executor to print out or archive emails and attachments or download files from online storage accounts to inform others, hey, that you've died. Okay. You should also give your executor access to any online accounts that control your finances, such as logins and passwords, so that they can handle payments on behalf of your estate. Although, be careful in creating a password list and just, giving it to your loved ones. For one, password lists quickly get out of date. People forget to update them as we're constantly being asked to update our passwords, right? Secondly, actually sharing passwords with somebody else violates 2 federal laws. So we actually have a wonderful tool that we make available to our clients called our digital asset platform, where the client can actually set up in advance directives or instructions to the particular, say, financial institution of its online banking or the online provider. What's going to happen to that online account, that digital asset as we call it? What's going to happen to it when you die? Who do you want to have access to it? What kind of access do you want? Do you want complete access? Do you want restricted access? Maybe you want that digital account closed right away, depending on what it is. Okay, so these are instructions you set up in advance. They meet all of the providers' terms of service, which are constantly changing, so that you can take comfort knowing that at your death, your loved ones are going to be able to easily and quickly access all of your financial assets, your financial accounts, a lot of which is in the cloud these days, and that's just going to get increasingly greater. And so it's a wonderful tool that we actually offer our clients, this digital asset platform. We offer it exclusively to clients who are in our client care program. If you'd love to learn more about it, I'd love to tell you about it. So hey, with that, if you'd like to know more about these important end-of-life decisions that you may want to consider, and maybe how we can help, we'd love to talk to you. So we encourage people, sort of as an easy sort of first step, go ahead and talk to us. Short 15-minute phone call. We call it our discovery phone call, where we could start a conversation to see whether we'd be a good fit with each other, and I can better understand why did you call us? What's on your mind? Hey, can we help you? Okay. This call is complimentary. You can book it on our Facebook page. Go to the Book Now button, or just Google us, LegacyPlanningLawGroup.com. Love to talk to you. Okay. So hey, if you've enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would like it. Would you mind liking our video? And better yet, to really broaden the reach and to inform more people. The purpose for this Thirsty Thursday is to educate and to inform. But I want to inform as many people as possible. Would you mind sharing this video with your friends, your Facebook friends? I'd really love that. So again, I hope you've enjoyed this talk. I plan on giving another talk next Thursday, the 23rd of September, about this time. Same day, same time, different topic. So, Bill O'Leary signing off for now. And on behalf of everybody here at Team Legacy, go make it a great day and make it a better world.